Hello crafty friends, welcome to or welcome back to Jenny Love Journals. So as you guys know, since I moved from my old craft room to my new craft room, I have been in the process of doing some destashing of a lot of things that I have overflow on, things that I don't know where to put them because I don't have room for them, even though I have a much bigger space, because that's literally how much I have. If you guys seen last week, I did a destash on my vintage cookbooks, which there are still some of those in my Etsy shop if you're interested in purchasing one or some of those. And today I just kind of went through a lot of my vintage papery items. So while I still have a lot more to go through, I figure I'm just going to pull what I pulled today and make little bundle packs to put in my Etsy shop of things that I want to destash. And again, I have so much more, so there will be more destashing, more packs put together, more Etsy shop listings. This is just kind of the beginning, so bear with me. So as you can see, I have a whole bunch of things in front of me that I pulled that I want to get rid of because I have so much of these already. And why not share them with you guys rather than just hoard them and probably not use them all in my lifetime. So give you guys a chance to use some too. So I'm just going to show you guys really quick what I have pulled to destash, and everything that you see will be included in a bundle, again, that I will be putting together once I'm done filming this video showing you what we have. And again, that bundle, those bundles will be for sale in my Etsy shop. When this video uploads, those bundles should be available. So head on over and check it out if you're interested. The link to my Etsy shop is always in the description below the video. All right, so I have a ton of vintage and antique stamps here. And I mean, I already have a whole bunch already. I have a whole drawer just packed full of these. So these are ones that I just put in a bag. I mean, as you can see, there's got to be at least 200-300 of them here. So I will be including several of these, probably, I don't know, 5 or 6 stamps in each bundle. I don't know exactly how many of what I'm going to include in the bundles, but I will make sure that you guys get enough to make it worth your while. And then of course, make sure that you read the description in the Etsy listing so that you know exactly how many of what is going to be coming in each bundle. Okay, so we have the vintage postage stamps here. A lot of them already have the stamp on them that they've been shipped. I have so many tickets. So I pulled this roll. This is vintage, or yeah, these are vintage yellow tickets. So I'm going to pull a good chunk of these off to include into each bundle. I don't know, maybe 10 or 20 tickets will go in each bundle. I have some vintage and antique postcards here that all have original writing and have been shipped. This one's 1938. Actually, this is 1933 right there. Oh, it is 1933. I'm sorry. I thought that was an 8. But yeah, a lot of them are very old. 1920. This one's antique. It's got the original stamp, the original writing. So there's going to be a few of these postcards in each bundle. These are going to be cute little kits if you are into making journals out of vintage and or antique items. This would be perfect to put into something like those. Okay, so these are vintage wallpaper samples. Let me bring it up a little closer so you can see them, and some of them are shimmery. A whole bunch of them, very like from what you remember about wallpaper back, you know, back a long time ago. It's how they feel. But there's a lot of different ones, so I'll be including several pieces of vintage wallpaper in each pack. As you can see, I pulled a very thick pile, and I still have so many of them, and I'm probably going to have to go through more, but this is just what I pulled today. These are vintage Rolodex cards. I pulled a good chunk of these, even though again, I have more. I have 2 drawers full of these guys, but I just pulled this pile to put into the bundles for this sale. But again, these are vintage Rolodex cards. There's so many things you can do with these. You can make them into pockets and tucks or embellish them. You can use them for writing, lots of different things. Okay, and then we have some vintage time cards here. Pulled a chunk of these to include, it is red on the front and green on the back, just like a traditional vintage time card. And so I'm going to be including a few of these in each bundle. Vintage guest checks, and these are the legit ones that you don't get from the Dollar Tree. These are actual vintage guest checks with the carbon copy in the back. And so I'll be including a few of the guest checks in each bundle as well, and I have several more of these, so don't worry. These are I Spy, vintage I Spy game cards. Who remembers playing this? I think people or kids actually still do play this. I'm not sure, but these are thick, very thick cards. They're not like a playing card. They're almost like a puzzle piece kind of thickness, maybe even a little thicker. And it is starting to thunder, so I do apologize if you can hear that, but how cute are these? Let me get a little closer. So there's a whole pile of these. I still have more. I saved some for myself. Oh my gosh, I can't talk today. But there's no way that I will use all these. So I will be including some of these in the bundles. I don't know how many bundles I'll end up with. I'm assuming quite a few, hopefully, considering how much I have here. These are vintage bingo cards. You guys have seen me use these several times in journals. They fit perfectly on your average size journal page if you want to embellish it and turn it into a pocket or a tuck, which I do a lot. As you guys know, I always make them into tucks and I embellish them. And these are the hardboard ones from like back when you used to go to bingo with grandma and you used to have to put the chips on there. That's what these are. And so these are very vintage, and I will be including a few of these in each pack as well. Okay, I also have these antique invoice sheets. It says Boston 191, so it's anywhere between 1910 and 1919. And there's a whole bunch of them. You guys have seen me use these before, and I've actually put some of these in giveaways before, but I have so many, and I feel like I can never use all of these. So, and they're in excellent condition. So I will be including a few of these in each bundle. I also pulled some washi tapes that I find that I don't use. The washi tapes I use the most are right in front of me. If you've seen my craft room tour video, you'll know that I have them right in front of me in these little containers. But these ones are the ones that I use less often. So I will be including a roll or two of washi in each bundle as well. And then finally, I have, if you guys remember a few weeks ago, I did a destash on my cling stamps. And some of you ordered some from me, but I still have quite a bit left. And if you have not seen that video, that is still on my channel. But they are, let's see, they're all complete. And I forget the name of the company every time I go to talk about these stamps. But it's a company, I found all of these. So one of these, I found 6 of them, I think, at Goodwill. There's a whole story behind it. But some of them are, well, all of them are stamps, but some of them come with the metal dies to cut the stamps out. Once you stamp on the paper, it has the metal die to cut it out if you have like a big shot or something. But that's what they look like. And they're all different. They all are labeled. Some of the labels have been torn off because of the way Goodwill taped these up so that they wouldn't fall out. And if you've gone to Goodwill, you know how they like to tape things. So some of them were ripped off due to that, which I do apologize. Like sentiments and stuff. Let's see. But yeah, I don't know if this is so adorable. I don't know if this was a representative who just gave up selling them and donated them to Goodwill, or somebody who passed away. I don't know. But this company is still in business. and I have looked them up, and I think that's it right there. thestampsoflife.com. That's the name of the company. And each one of these is anywhere between $13 and $16, guys, each. Okay, I think I paid $25 for each one of these. And I think there's around 30 of these in each one. So anyways, of course I kept a lot of them, but there was also some that I destashed. Again, there was 6 of these. So I will be including one of these stamp packs at random, chosen at random, in each pack as well. So everything that I showed you guys today that I pulled for today, and like I said, I have definitely more to pull, so bear with me if you're interested in seeing what else I'm destashing and getting rid of. But everything that I showed you today will be included in bundles that will be sold in my Etsy shop. And again, my Etsy shop link is in the description below this video. And all of those items should be in my shop when this video drops, or when it uploads, I should say. So hopefully you guys are interested. Go over and grab you a bundle if you want any of these items. Again, perfect for, especially if you're just starting out in the junk journaling world and you really like the vintage aspect of things. This is a perfect little starter kit to get you going. Yeah, and I've had a lot of these for so long that have just been sitting. And I can't say they've been sitting because of course I used them. You guys have seen me use many of these things. But there's just so much, guys. I can't, there's no way I can possibly use all of these in my lifetime. So again, I am passing some of them on to you guys. So again, if you're interested, they will be in my Etsy shop. So thank you as always for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a great big thumbs up. Share it out to any family and friends who you think would enjoy it. Don't forget to follow me over on Facebook and Etsy. Both links are in the description below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.